Hello and welcome to another City Update. I'm Deborah Cedillo-Dugan. I'm at Burton Barr Central Library right in downtown Phoenix, here to talk about all fines forgiven. I'm here with Lee Franklin.
Hi.
She's the Community Relations Manager. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Deborah?
I'm really glad you're great. I'm very excited about this program. It's not going to be kicking off until November.
Right, that's right.
So tell me what this program is all about and why now?
So All Fines Forgiven is Phoenix Public Library changing our policy, with special thanks to Mayor Gallego and Phoenix City Council for approving. We will be eliminating our overdue fines program. And so for us, that will be two things coming in November. We will no longer be charging an overdue fine on late return material, and we will be waiving or forgiving all fines that are currently accrued on all cardholders.
Okay, so let's talk about it, because we're one of the first largest cities in the country, but I understand there's some other cities throughout that also has this similar program.
Phoenix is the first of the largest 5 cities of the United States to have a public library system that will have eliminated all overdue fine and an overdue fine program. So other big public library systems, there's about a little over 200 in the United States as of today, as of this week, that have implemented some form of eliminating overdue fines. And what the library world has discovered is, one, there's not a lot of research. There's really no research that shows that charging overdue fines has any impact on inspiring borrowers to bring their materials back.
Got it.
What it does do is it disproportionately affects those that are financially insecure or live in a low income status. So with the principle of what libraries are all about, we want to make sure that people have access to information, knowledge, and technology, whether they can afford it on their own or not. We found that library card accounts were being blocked due to overdue fines, which was jeopardizing access to the library, probably for those that need it the most.
Absolutely.
So we wanted to make sure that we're able to provide equitable access to everything that Phoenix Public Library has to offer.
And you do have so much.
We
and
do.
Again, I'm so excited about this. So again, this was unanimous.
Yes, thank you, Mayor Gallego
yes.
and City Council. It was a unanimous decision to support and bless Phoenix Public Library changing our policy to all fines forgiven in November, eliminate charging an overdue fine on late return materials.
So how's that going to work? I mean, can people hold on to that book or that
like
DVD
keep it forever?
or that magazine? Yeah, probably not.
No, we still want our stuff back.
Of course, we want our stuff back, people.
We want our stuff back. Phoenix Public Library circulates over 10 million items a year, so that's a lot of stuff that
really
comes
is.
in and out. We want everything back in so that it's available for the next customer. So we're going to maintain, what's not changing is we're going to continue with our notification process, which is a 3-day notice before something's due, and then a 3-day notice after.
Okay.
10 days after, 28 days after, and then on the 50th day, if we still don't have that item back, then we will bill the customer for the library's replacement value of that item. So it is, it's not completely accountability free. We are asking for, which most of our cardholders do. They're very respectful and understand it's part of their civic responsibility is having a library card and utilizing all of our services and programs and materials. They know other borrowers are waiting to borrow the stuff. And so most of those transactions, people continue to, it comes in and out without any problem. But for this one, you know, we found that overdue fines on late return materials don't compel anyone to bring stuff back in faster
any sooner.
It doesn't really make that much of a difference for that. So we would rather remove a barrier to access and have as many people as possible access as much as possible at the library.
Absolutely, to be inclusive to everyone. I want to talk real quickly about the amazing library
card
and the 17 public libraries you have throughout the city.
That's right. We have 17 locations and a website. Our website gets about 100,000 visits a day.
Wow.
So we have almost anything you can think of, you can have access to at the library. You can download and stream music and movies. You can check out TV shows. You can check out reading material. You can access research databases or classes online.
Newspapers,
newspapers and magazines.
that we pay
Absolutely.
subscriptions for. Yes.
Yeah, so we have a lot of those platforms, and everything is free with a Phoenix Public Library card. And that's just materials that people can have access to. Every one of our locations has tons of programming that are family friendly. They're great for almost any age, you know, through a person's lifespan. There's something for them at Phoenix Public Library.
There's so many. There's
Absolutely.
so much. It's so much. I'm going to cross promote our show called Check It Out.
That's
So you got to
right.
make sure you watch that
Always
too.
watch that because we're
right.
showcasing something else that's exciting and fun about Phoenix Public Library. And get your card, phoenixpubliclibrary.org. You can get an e-card and get started within about 5 minutes.
Wonderful.
Or come see us at one of our 17 locations and get your card. Everything you can do with us, you can do for free.
I love it.
Yeah, amazing library card.
It's the best use of that library card.
It is. It's the best card to have.
It is the best card ever, and it's free. Okay, so we are going to wrap up right now. Thank you so much for joining us, Lee.
You're welcome.
And thanks for
Thank
joining
you.
us on City Update. I'm Deborah Cidio Dugan.